Simple Learning Corner.
Hello kids, in this video you're going to learn 20 birds names in English with clear picture and correct pronunciation. Please watch the video till end. Now let's start the video.
Pigeon, pigeon. Crow, crow. Parrot, parrot. Owl, owl. Sparrow, sparrow. Eagle, eagle. Peacock, peacock. Crane, crane. Manna, manna. Duck, duck. Partridge, partridge. Swan, swan. Vulture, vulture. Ostrich, ostrich. Kingfisher, kingfisher. Hen, hen. Cock, cock. Quail, quail. Bat, bat. Cuckoo,